Quitting is for cowards. I am not a coward. I am a warrior. I am a fighter. I will fight. How can I surrender while the success is calling my name? I don't care how tired I am. I don't mind. Even if I reach the success while I'm crawling, I will crawl to success. The thing is, I believe in myself. I know I will do it. Irregardless the hard situations that I'm facing, but I know that I'll reach the success. Whatever situations that you are facing, bear in mind that every gravel road leads to tar road. You gonna do it. Believe in yourself. Talente Kanuga is my name, and I trust you.